What's up, y'all? I just took my head wrap off, so don't mind me. But quick 1 month update, because today is going to be wash day. You can see all the new growth. The back ones have completely pretty much unraveled. I've had to turn a couple of them into twists. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. That's from my towel. All this pink is from my towel. I've had to turn a couple of them into twists. This one and this one. And yeah, so they're pretty much coming along. I feel like a couple of them have locked already. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. Lots of new growth, which I'm happy about. And my edges are coming in really nicely. But as you can see right here, I had a lot of thinning from postpartum, but hair is growing back, which I'm happy about. Like just lots of postpartum thinning, but it's all grown back, so I'm really happy about it. I love them so far. I'm kind of scared to wash them, but I'm gonna do the stocking cap method. But yeah, y'all, one a month, and got a little bit of hang time. But this is what I'm looking like. And I'll show you guys after I wash my hair for the first time. I'll show y'all what it looks like. And then after I retwist it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So, I don't think any of them unraveled per se. Well, this one seems to be unraveled. I know one of them. Where is the one that's just unraveled? Like it's been unraveled. This one is unraveled. It has been unraveled, but it's like locked right here, so it's not going anywhere. This one has been unraveled, but it's locked right here, so that's not really going anywhere. These straight pieces that you see, like from here down, I'm gonna cut this off eventually, but not until my edges grow back in, because I need something to cover those. I don't necessarily like the stocking cap method because I don't feel like my hair is clean. Not as clean as, you know how you feel when you do a little scrubbing and scratching. It feels like you got all the dirt up and everything and you feel clean. I didn't do scrubbing and scratching. I was just going like this to my new growth to try to get, see. And I don't feel like my scalp is clean. But I'm not doing it again because I'm not about to unravel anymore. This is the way it looks. I have to look at this video so that I can actually see the back. But I'm not necessarily a fan of the stocking cap method. I'm not, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Lord, this one definitely unraveled. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So that's, oh yeah. This is what I cleansed with, the Camille Rose Natural Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse with castor and aniseed oil. I like this because it's not stripping and it's moisturizing. And it seems to clean, you know, cleanse just fine. It's just this stocking cap method thing. New, very new. But yeah, that's pretty much, it's crazy because my hair looks brown right here. What is that? That's, wow, do y'all see that? Anyway, so yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product when it's retwisted. So this is the finished product of me twisting or retwisting my hair rather. Those bald spots make me so sad. But anyway, I'm not too much, like, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of how this came out. I don't like the way that it looks, but I'm not going to do it again because I just don't want to manipulate my hair too much. But yeah, you guys, that's that.